Hey Tank, look at the camera. Yes, it's your friends. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. So, yesterday, we did unlock a train, the set we got from Walmart on Friday night. And Tank, where are you going? So, we upgrade the train making see, we're gonna see what we did. Come here, Tank. Come here, Tank. Come here, Tank. Cheese. He's coming. Come here, Tank. There he is. You wanna see what show your friends in the train? Let me see as we did the train mate, upgrade the train maintenance. Ta-da! Tank, are you going over there? That's fine. So here we did the train. Now unbox the set. Well, here's the brake that plays over there, right here, and Thomas the meat Bruno Coco. I put him right there. Well, and of course that Carly put aside, I think aside a beach. Well, there, it's near Victortown Station. Well, the boulder, when trains get it, it's a near Victortown Station. Yes, it's near Victortown Station, and there will be a new place there. So this is just another short video about me taking to this basement. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next video. See ya. Say bye, Tank. Say bye. He's looking like his breakfast. So see you guys in the next video. See ya.